So, one kidney, two kidneys. They're way here in the back, okay? If these are the kidneys, you guys, if I were to stab any of these kidneys, what are the three functions of it? Removes three things. Salt, metabolic waste, and water. Excellent. Now to find the adrenal gland, you're going to rotate the kidney, and it's pretty much this little tiny thing sitting on top of it. It looks like almost like a little top hat. It's usually a little bit lighter in color, and it's just tiny. It's like this tiny little thing sitting right on the top inside corner of the kidney. So here would be, and it's usually a little bit lighter in color than the kidney itself. So this would be one adrenal gland. If I rotate to this side, again, you can see it kind of just looks like a little hat in the top corner. See if I can rotate this so you can see it better. And there it is. So it's like this little tiny, kind of small little gland right here on the top inner side of the kidney. So one, if I go to this side, it's right there on the top upper edge. Now, it's usually just a little bit lighter color than the kidney itself, and it's curled right along the upper inner side. It's like a tiny thin tissue. Now, what is the function of this gland, you guys? Adrenal glands produce adrenaline, which ups the body for fight or flight. Okay, so it's producing adrenaline. Yeah. Yes. All right, now if you look at the next one, you guys. Kidneys we already did. Adrenal glands hopefully we found. If we go down from the kidney, you're going to have to just take your probe and you're going to tease just a little bit from the inside middle part of the kidney. And what you should be able to find, but just by kind of barely teasing the mesentery and peritoneum, is you should see what looks like a non-color dyed tube. It should be almost like a clearish color, light brown clear color. So here's one tube coming down from the kidney. If I rotate, I'm going to see if I can expose this side, which I can. It's right here. Kind of looks like a little coiled up tube. It's not any kind of color. Okay. And there's the other one. All right. So we have, what are the tubes, you guys, that drain the kidneys down? Ureters. So all they do is transport what? Urine. Now if you look here, the ureters are draining to this middle thing right here. When you pick up the umbilical cord extension, you're going to see a little pouch in between two pink arteries. This pouch in the center is the urinary bladder, which does what? Stores urine. So again, you have kidneys draining to tube called what? Ureters. If you actually pull up on the ureters, you should see that these brown ureters attach right at the base of this bladder. So there's two white, like kind of creamy colored tubes leading to this bladder. Okay? In between, it's dead center. Okay? Now, from the bladder, it goes to the urethra. All you have to do to find the urethra, you guys, is you pick up your umbilicus, which is your bladder in the center, right here. And all you do is follow it down. And you're going to see a tube that leads straight down from it. That tube that's coming down from it is the urethra. Okay? Now, in a female and a male, urethra serves the purpose of gametes and urine. They both unite here, gametes and urine. Okay? So again, urethra is a common tube where they're going to merge because they have a urogenital opening. Okay? But it's the passageway for urine. It's the number one function.